How to see hidden replies on Twitter or X account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update your X app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name X and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now you have to head towards the post for which you want to see the hidden reply. Just go ahead and open the post. Now at the top right corner of the post, you will find 3 dots. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. Along with those options, you will find the option of View Hidden Replies. Just click on it. And with that, you will be able to see hidden replies for the post. By applying the same process, you can see hidden replies for other posts. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily see hidden replies on Twitter or X account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.